What is the units digit of 2 raised to 1001? Now, let's find the pattern here. So 2 raised to 1 ends with 2, 2 raised to 2 ends with 4, 2 raised to 3 ends with 8, 2 raised to 4 ends with 6. Now you will observe that this pattern of 2486 goes on continuously repeating. So therefore, now what we have to do is we have to divide the power here 1001 by 4 and find out the remainder. The remainder in this case comes out to be 1. Now, depending on what remainder is there, the units digit is defined. So if the remainder is 1, like in this case, the units digit will be 2. So the answer will be option A. If the remainder was 2, then the answer would have been 4. If the remainder was 3, the answer would have been 8. And if the remainder was 0, then the answer would have been 6. But in this case, the answer is